Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to start our lecture number 10. Today our topic is long vowels. This topic is at the book page of 107. Let's talk about the vowel first. These letters are vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y. It is said that Y is sometimes a vowel because the letter Y represents both vowel and consonant sounds. The letter those are not vowels are consonants. In the word cry, sky, fly, my, and Y, letter Y represent the vowel sound I. Every vowel letter has long and short vowel sound as well. The long vowel sound is the same as the name of the vowel itself. For example, long A sounds A as in cake. Long E sound as E as in sheet. Long I sound as I as in like. Long O sounds as O as in born. Long U sound is U as in human. O as crude. Long vowel sounds are often created when two vowels appear side by side in a syllable. Means when two vowels come together, they make a long vowel sound. When vowels work as a team, means when they come together to make a long vowel sound, the second vowel is silent. Do you remember your childhood song? Two vowels go walking, the first one does talking. For example, in the word road, two vowels are coming together. Road has the sound and A is silent. Soap, S-O-A-P, soap. Soap in this word, O is talking and A is silent. In the word team, T-E-A-M, team, two vowels are coming together. E is talking and A is silent. The third example is when a single vowel is at the end of a word or syllable, it usually makes a long vowel sound. For example, as in go. O is making a long vowel sound. Ago. Same O is making a long vowel sound. In the word he, at the ending, he is making a long vowel sound. Vowel also have long sounds when they are paired with a silent letter E or when they are vowel digraph. What is digraph? When two letter makes single sound like PH make the sound of fa, CH make the sound of cha, TH make the sound of tha, they are called digraphs. Let's come to page number 108. Here are examples of long vowels. I have made their numberings. You also write numbering on your book to make it more clear. First example is a double E. Also make the long vowel sound. Example is keep, feel, meek. Also they all are making long vowel sound. In the second example, the vowel I often makes a long sound in one syllable word if the vowel is followed by two consonants. Same like blight, the I is followed by two consonant sound, G H. High, G H, I is followed by G H. Mind, I is followed by two consonant N and D. We have read the rule when I is followed by double consonant sound, it is a long vowel, but this rule does not apply when I is followed by a digraph SH, CH or TH. We have already discussed that a long vowel sound is created when a vowel is followed by a consonant and a silent letter E in a syllable, as strive, stake, consent. E is making a long vowel sound. Bite, I is making a long vowel sound. Size, I is making a long vowel sound. Let's see example number 5. The long U sound can sound like U or U, as in cute, U, flute, U, lute, U, fume, O sound. Most often the letter O will be pronounced as a long vowel sound when it appears in a one syllable word and is followed by two consonants. Most we have single O with two consonants. Most we have single O with two consonants. O is making a long vowel sound. A few exceptions occur when the O appears in single syllable word that ends in th or sh. Example is wash, kosh, mot. Long O sound is also created by the letter O, W when they appear at the end of a syllable. Same example are row, blow, slow, below. The letters AY also make a long vowel sound A, same as stay, A, play. AY are making the sound of A. We have already discussed that the letter Y can make a long I sound if it appear at the end of a one syllabic word, same as sky, fly, shy, try. Example 11th is the letter IE can make a long vowel sound of E, as believe. If I, F, I, E are making a long vowel sound of E. The letters EI can make a long E sound when they followed A and followed by a C. For example, receive, receive, received. The letter Y can make a long vowel sound E if it appears at the end of a word and it follows one or more consonants, as Bonnie, Holly, Rosie, etc. When a vowel is followed by an R in the same syllable, that vowel is R controlled. It means that when a vowel is followed by R, that vowel is called R controlled vowel. Sometimes we refer to the R as bossy R because it is a controller. That's why it is bossy, because the R bosses the vowel to make a new sound, as in spark, germ, birthday, burn. Read these pages yourself and try to make better understanding